In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit tags in ClickUp. So if you had added tags on your projects or on your tasks in ClickUp and you need to go ahead and make some changes, it is pretty much simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are two ways you can edit tags on your tasks or projects. To do this, you can see I have here two tags already on my task, and I'd like to go ahead and change it. To change it, so go ahead and hover over these settings and click on it, and you can see the name has been displayed. From here, you can go ahead and edit this. Maybe you want to change it from sold to out of stock, like that, and you can now just click enter and you'll have changed the tag. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and click on the task, and here under the task you can see we have tags, and to change them, just head over to these ellipses again and you'll be able to change them from here. However, should you want to delete them, just hover over them and then click on X and you'll have deleted them. So that's how you can edit or make changes on your tags in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.